A legal setback for Trump's immigration policies. What you need to know. It's a dramatic turn in the ongoing debate over U.S. immigration policies, one that has shaken President Donald Trump's efforts to tighten border security. A federal judge has stepped in to block an executive order issued by Trump that aimed to prevent migrants at the southern border from seeking asylum or challenging their deportation in the United States. This ruling deals a significant blow to the Trump administration's immigration agenda, raising questions about executive power and constitutional authority. Judge Randolph Daniel Moss, appointed by former President Obama, announced on Wednesday that Trump's proclamation from January 20th, aiming to bar all migrants labeled as part of a supposed invasion from applying for asylum, overstepped his presidential authority. The judge supported the ACLU's argument, who had brought the case on behalf of several migrant groups and 13 asylum seekers earlier this year. But here's where it gets controversial. The judge pointed out that Trump cannot override federal laws related to deportations and asylum claims simply by proclaiming an executive order. Moss emphasized that Trump's approach could essentially make the Immigration and Nationality Act optional. This ruling also includes a 14-day pause, allowing Trump's team to seek an emergency appeal at a higher court. Additionally, the judge agreed to class certification for migrants directly affected or would be affected by the proclamation in the future. This certification ensures that the lawsuit can progress under specific conditions authorized by the Supreme Court. What many may overlook is the significance of constitutional limits on presidential authority. Judge Moss clearly stated that neither the U.S. Constitution nor the INA grants Trump the broad powers claimed in the proclamation. Trump's advisor, Stephen Miller, defended the order, criticizing the judge's decision as overreaching and suggesting it opens the debate about how the U.S. handles immigration given the Supreme Court's new limits on nationwide injunctions. And this is the part most people miss. The broader implications of this legal battle emphasize the ongoing tension between executive powers and judicial checks in the realm of immigration enforcement. How should the balance of power be maintained when it comes to immigration? And do you agree with Judge Moss's interpretation or Trump's stance on immigration control? Share your thoughts in the comments below.